You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? The name of this Ferrari model, or Ferrari as the Italians would say. So let's break down the pronunciation. Do you want to hear how it's said in Italian? 360, meaning 360. 360 or 360. Modena is how it's pronounced in Italian. Modena, Modena, with a stress on the first syllable. So in Italian, 360 Modena, or in English, 360 Modena. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.